Guys, hi. In today's video, if you laugh, you lose. And you have only 3 lives. Okay, the first one. We will start right now.
He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again. Oh.
Guys, great job. I didn't know you will do it. Okay, we're gonna start the next one. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Woohoo! Great job! You didn't laugh. I don't know. How did you didn't laugh, bro? You're talent. Now the next one. Hope you enjoy it. Literally, guys, great job. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and we have a lot of more left, so you want to watch this video. I know you want. Thank you all who's watching the video, and we're starting the new one. 3 and 2 and 1, let's go. Whoa.
High five. Oh, I got the smartest cat in the world. Have a treat, there's your treat, baby. Enjoy that treat, baby.
Bro forgot that he is a cat.
This is what happens to bad kitties.
She loves to bath, but without getting wet.
Kitty, you look like you're in one hell of a predicament. Don't worry. Bob the Builder's here to fix it.
He created a masterpiece by accident. She knows a new spot.
Guys, who liked that one? I literally like that one so much. Okay, enjoy the next one in 3 and 2 and 1. Let's go, come on.
The humans have left the room, so I'm just gonna squeeze in the ball here. And when they drop in the new goldfish, old Ginger Snap will be waiting. What if they bring...
Oh, that was super funny, guys. Next one is 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Let's go. If you like this video, see you soon. Bye bye. Never forget to subscribe and like and share.